Welcome back to another video, guys. So today I'm here at Svelte Eye. Kala ko dati Svelte, pero no, Svelte Eye. And we are here to review one of their services, which is up on Deal Grocer. So I'll be talking more about that service in a bit. So if you are new here at Svelte Eye, of course, they will let you fill up a form, and then you will be consulting with the resident doctor about it. So actually, kakatapos lang namin. Wala na si Doc. And then they're just preparing the room for the treatment. We're now inside the treatment room. It's super clean. That's one of the things I noticed about the this room. Ang ganda. Tapos may mga sink area pa. Ang ganda, ang linis. We have Ate Vanji. Hi! She's going to cleanse my face since kailangan ko mag-makeup kanina kasi nga may meeting ako. So, ayan. Let's do this. How cute do I look? Bongga, diba? Ayun, so tatanggalin lahat ng makeup, cleansing part, and then titignan ni Doc yung face ko again before the facial. Just finished with the facial, guys. In this vlog, we are also going to be trying out their micro lift. So here at Svelte Eye, yung micro lift daw, it really lifts up your face. Para siyang, you can say para siyang Botox, pero wala siyang injectable. So this is the machine that they're gonna use for the micro lift. So for pore tightening daw siya, tsaka for lifting. Bongga, ang daming wires. Ito pala, gumagamit sila ng electric current ba? Tama ba? Electric current to firm up your face. During the session daw, i-add yung collagen gel. For what siya?
For tightening also and lifting effect.
Parang may humahatak ba? Ayan, I feel it, girl! Bongga! I feel it, guys. Yung current dito, makifeel mo, parang stop and go siya. Very tolerable. I like it.
Okay naman.
Diba? Uy, fresh. Ayan, the mask is finally off, guys, and my skin feels really good. As in, glowing siya. Which is why I love the collagen mask. I love it. Glowy, glowy. Sobrang relaxing everything. Favorite part ko is the mask. Yeah, so notes ko lang, just come without any makeup para mas relaxing ng bongga. And yung contact lens din para, you know, relax all the way. So yeah, if ever you want to purchase the services of Svelte Eye, they are available at Deal Grocer. I'll have the link in the information box so you guys can check it out. So that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in the next vlog. Bye!